Oh my god, look at all those juices dripping. Whoa. There's a brand called No Brand in Korea. This says 옛날치킨. It means old fried chicken. It's Korean style, old school. Look at this. Straight up. I'm gonna stick it. Stick this in. This is for 20. Oof, the juice is flowing. Alright, so I'm about to have this chicken here. Oh my god. Korean chicken. Always, you gotta start off with the drumstick. Ooh, it's like fall off the bone. Try this piece. It's hot. Oh my god. I just have some salt and pepper and some bulldog sauce, the fire chicken sauce. Mmm. It's crispy. In true Korean fashion, now the gloves. I have some new, the pickled radish that you normally eat. Alright, here we go. Ooh, it's still hot. I don't think we need to get chicken delivered. This is so good. Mm. It tastes fresher than the delivery because it's right out of the air fryer. Alright, try the carbonara fire chicken sauce. Oh, the whole breast with wings. And try the wing piece. Hot. The wing. Try it with some salt. Oh, the bones just come right off. Right, with this sauce. No brand chicken. Oh, this sauce is hitting though. Mm. Even the breast meat is really tender. Alright, I gotta eat it with some salad. You can't just eat a whole chicken without eating some veggies. There's the neck meat. I know a lot of people don't eat necks, but there's a good amount of meat on there. The chicken's lightly seasoned, so you don't need to dip it in too much sauce or salt. I know in the US, they don't give you whole chicken like this. But I think they should. Oh my god, look at all those juices dripping. Whoa. Okay, let's not dig into this breast meat.